Why does a Yamaha hull have an inch of water in the hull if auto bilge is not to blame? Very good question, Stephen. Okay, so I'll eat crow on this one for sure. Was the auto bilge does have a reverse flow blocking duckbill. Does it work 100%? No. Is there backflow? A little bit. As soon as I put out my little duckbill video with the one-way valve, he hit me up and he goes, Kevin. And he says, I don't want to be a jerk about it. He says, the sealant that Yamaha is using for the transom plate sucks. And I was like, really? He goes, yeah, it's garbage. And I'm like, what are you talking about? And he goes, well, you know when they were sending out GPs with the wrong transom plate? And I go, yeah. And he goes, I had to change one of them. He says, I'm not going to say this, but you can. But he literally pulled the transom plate off by hand. He pulled the bolts out, of course. Pulled the bolts out. And he thought he was going to have to start prying on it. And he popped the whole thing off. He goes, the sealant that's sealing the transom plate to the back of the hull is garbage. And he says it's just letting water in. And he goes, and you can see seep lines where water is seeping in. So I got some bad news, Stephen. It's actually just poor sealant. And a lot of guys were saying, hey, it's poor sealant. I kind of was refusing to listen. I mean, I knew, but I'm like, it can't be that bad. Well, it's that bad. So the bad news is if you want to fix it, you're going to have to go to either if you want to do it yourself, you're going to have to take your ride plate, intake grate, and your transom plate off, get some really good marine sealant, and reseal the hell out of your pump tunnel. And then you're going to want to go inside of your pump, and you're going to want to either scrape off the excess brownish, poop brown sealant that they use, and run beads of their new stuff. Your dealership is not going to fix it. Dealership's not going to fix it because they're going to say it's fine. It's fine from the factory. Factory supports it. We represent the factory. We're not touching it. So it's one of those things you're just going to have to fight that. You're going to have to climb that hill by yourself. But that is unfortunately the truth. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.